Back here with a look at Solana. All right, if you're new, please hit the like and subscribe. We would love to have you. And if you've been here, welcome back. Here we go. Let's take a look here. It's been a little bit of a rough week for everything. Been a little bit of a pullback for Bitcoin here. We come over here to the crypto bubbles. I'm going to show you something here for the week. Look at this. Well, look at the month even. You got Gala down 45% for the month. Algo about 45. Typical, big big bull run pullback. Stuff's on sale. That's the way I look at it. For the month. You got a few green here, but the majority has taken a pretty serious beating. Look at Caspa though, only 14, down 14% for the month. It's held up very, very well. I cover Caspa almost daily. V-Chain only down 8%. The smaller the bubble here, the smaller it's down. Except of course the green ones are positive. So even Cardano down 37.5. So looking at some pretty serious pullbacks here for sure. For the day, getting a little bit of a jump here, but I think Bitcoin has a little bit more to pull down here. Okay, as far as Solana goes, let's pull it up here. Where we at? Geez, I thought that would have. There we go. Number 5. It is down for the month 28%. Not really that bad. Ranked number 5th. Market cap 61.3 billion. 24-hour volume 6.22 billion. So actually not too shabby. All right, if we come back over here, I'll show you Bitcoin real quick. Looks like it's doing 5 waves down. If you're interested in learning this stuff, guys, we have over 200 members in our community now. Level 3 membership is $14.99. Gets you 22 videos, over 9 hours of videos to teach you how to learn to chart charts, learn how to look for bull run price targets, everything. Okay, over 9 hours of videos, plus a link to our Discord. Where there's people over there all the time. We're trading over there, so we have over 200 members. Got a fantastic community, a great bunch of people. Come join us if you're interested. Like I said, $14.99 a level 3 membership. We would love to have you. Looks like Bitcoin here is doing 5 waves. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and it looks like number 5 coming up here. Okay, how do you measure a 5th wave? Well, you take your fib, put it on wave 3 up to the top of wave 4, and that should give you your target right around 57.8. Okay, we'll see if that bottom comes in there. That's what I'm looking for. Usually these work out pretty well. If you go out on a monthly on Bitcoin, you can see that this is a very, very good support area right here. All right, you have closing candles in here. Let me make it a little smaller so you can see that. See the closing candles right here. So it comes in a very good support area for sure. So we'll see if that's the bottom there. Right around 57.8. Okay, that's what we're watching for. 57, 57.7, 57.8, 57.9, somewhere in the high 57s is what we're looking for. That should be a 5th wave, and hopefully that is the bottom. We have the halving coming up here in 4 days, right up at the top here. Where we at here? Halving right there. 4 days. 4 days, 3 hours, and 7 minutes. So maybe Bitcoin takes a couple days to get this finished up and starts up out of here. Now, as far as Solana goes, you can see even from the prior bull run, all right, we haven't even really started yet. We hit a 786 on the Fibonacci here from back in 2021, where we went roughly 260 bucks. Okay, this thing has a long ways to go. Okay, possible bull run target for Solana, you're looking up over $1,000. Okay, very, very possible for sure. Easily, I would think. I mean, geez, this thing's already right now it's about 136 bucks. Looks like 5 waves right here, possibly coming in. We do have this wick though, which would kind of worry me about a 5 wave move here. Okay, but it sure looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe down to this trend line, and your 5th wave up here. Okay, maybe we come back and retest this high over here, and this should all be just a big wave 1 of the first wave of the bull run, and then that 2-wave pullback. We'll see how deep that can possibly come, and then that wave 3 that heads up here, that's going to be the monster wave, the wave 3. But this should all be just wave 1. Okay, this for the first move of the bull run here. All right. Well, as far as the RSIs, let's take a look here. I would expect this thing to get a bounce. Let's close this out. Right around a 618 Fibonacci area, which 618, 702, you usually get a bounce. So this trend line very well could get violated. If we take, let's go on a daily and just take this move here, which looks like wave 1, 2, looks like wave 3 right there, and let's put the fib on it and see what we got here. All right, yeah, wow, yeah, maybe this is probably the better way to go here. We're very possibly close to that area. I wouldn't expect it to go through this trend line. We got a wick through it here, but I wouldn't expect it to violate it again. I just don't. Possibly get a bounce here pretty soon. Let me look. Let's move in on an 8. See if we can see any. I just can't see much as far as any wave count here. About a 4-hour. No, just pretty sloppy down through here. 2, 3, 4. You could have 5 waves coming in here. 4th wave, 5th wave down. Let's look at the RSIs and see what they got. As far as the daily, this thing should be about reset. It is. It's bullish. Okay, it's turned up. You can see here, right down here, we're oversold and bullish. Okay, let's look at the 3-day. Just about there. Okay, a couple days, probably Wednesday, this thing should be reset. The 5-day still coming down. All right, and then your weekly is also still coming down. All right, so yeah, this could be you definitely could be a little bit deeper of a correction. Maybe we go down here and take the measurement here. That'd be pretty crazy to see it come down to 87 bucks, but we'll see. It's either that, if it doesn't hold up here on let me tell you, if it doesn't hold this area right up here, let's get this on this wave, possible wave 3 right here. All right, if it doesn't get a bounce here at roughly 130, 120, right around that area, 120 to 130, and it takes out this trend line. If it breaks this trend line, then it's definitely coming lower. Believe it or not, you could see it down to 91 bucks, and that would be down at the lower end. That would be a 618. That's a very, very possible scenario here. Okay, and that would obviously violate this trend line. Maybe it's a wick down there to 91. If you get it at 91 bucks, that is a heck of a buy as far as I'm concerned for Solana. That's a easy 10x left in the bull run here. Or it's going off this wave 3 right now. It hit a 786 already, and it's about ready to bounce. Two scenarios here. All right, either we bounce within 120 or 130, or we're starting to bounce now. Or if it takes out 120, then it's more than likely coming down here to around $90, $91, $92. That would be your 618 over here. So keep an eye on this trend line here, 120, 130. You want to definitely hold that area. Let's look as far as a weekly support area. Let's get this off here. That'll give us a very, very good idea of an area to hold. Yeah, right there, 113, at 112. That is a major support area right there. Okay, you can obviously see that. A lot of closing candles on the weekly here. Yeah, you definitely want to see it hold up 112. All right, we got that wick down there. It looks like it probably is coming down here again to retest this bottom, and then probably bounce right out of here. Okay, that looks like a very good area to hold up on the monthly. All right, you got the area actually down below that at $100, which is another massive support area here. But I'm expecting this weekly to hold. I really do. I don't see it violating that, and I think it's probably working on a fifth wave up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this fifth wave target would be roughly. Not going to use that wick. I'm just going to use this here. Say it comes back down to that trend line. A fifth wave target would be 260, 274. All right, so watch it to bounce around 112 here. Okay, you definitely any violation of that, something different is going on here. All right, but watch for 112 to come in, and then as long as that holds and it bounces from there, 262 would be a fifth wave, and then we would have an ABC correction and then start another 5 waves up. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe. Consider becoming a member. Like I said, we have over 200 members now. Learn how to do this charting. It pays off in a bull run, man. We're just starting, so learn as much as you can. Have a great day, everybody.